Good morning, my guy. What's good with you, brother? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm gonna look at that fork. I don't know what it is. Didn't like it at all, but let's go check it out. And damn, that Phantom price. Is that why Phantom was pumping? Because of a brand new tune fork with super high APRs? Like, I saw Phantom pump so much this week. Literally. From like 30 to 70 cents or 80 cents. I don't know. What up, guys? Smash the like. Smash the like. Let's get into some TA. Bring your coins, bring your memes, bring your shit coins, bring everything you need. Let's smoke some and get busy. Look at Bitcoin. Look how beautiful that Bitcoin is, man. There's a lot to it. Yeah, I see NFTs. I see everything over there, whatever. Yeah. Alrighty then. So Bitcoin yesterday, when I was drawing all my 2 days ago, we were drawing a lot of stuff. And let's bring out, look at that. Look at that. I drew like a daily little mini head and shoulders pattern because, you know, this is our new trading range from that 76K. And I think we're going to wedge in this valley until we hit some resistance right here and push us to the next valley. But yeah, I'm gonna just talk some shit right now. I think we have a lot of shit to talk about. Let me see where we can start here. Let's talk about macro, right? Just because I'm with you right now, we could talk about this macro shit. I did some research yesterday, right? With the trusty help of, you know, ChatGPT's bitch ass. And shout out to ChatGPT. So I had it crunch some numbers to me. So here is the discussion. Summary of average decreases, right? So every Bitcoin halving, we have a substantial, we get a substantial, like a very substantial boost. But the fact of the matter is, yes, we get a substantial boost in price, right? But the fact of the matter is, every bull run, we get smaller percentage boost with the overall Bitcoin pump of the bull run. See, every bull run we have a Bitcoin halving bull run, right? Every 4 years, when we have the halving, we have 500 days of bliss. That year after that halving, we have 500 days of bullish activity where the charts go up, okay? But in reality, right, we have a decrease in percentage of profits, right? So I went through a whole scheme of, you know, finding out like some research. So this is what I've found out. And based on the research, I was able to give us an average of where Bitcoin would land in this year's bull run, right? And this is a very conservative number. So based on the historical pattern, the 2024 halving could result in a much smaller price surge. Shut the fuck up. This is not, bearish fucking thinking by me, but could result in a much smaller price surge. Hold on a second. Yellow. Okay. Man, that thing was on the whole time. Around 159% compared to previous halvings. This suggests that while a profit is expected, Bitcoin may not see the same level of exponential growth as it did in previous bull cycles, right? So like we did some research. So let me tell you what we found out. This is just for numbers, right? So, how these scenarios work, right? In 2012, the halving, right? Bitcoin went from $13 to $1,100, okay? Super exponential growth. We're talking about 8,800%. In 2016, the second generational halving, Bitcoin moved, right, from the day of the halving, $664 to $17,000. A big, substantial move, right? In 2020, so that resulted in a percentage of 2,570%. So already the pattern here is, yes, exponential profit growth, right? But a percentage profit decrease. Understood? Right? Because in the first halving, we started with 8,800% profits. Then from the second halving, generational halving, 664 to 17, that was 2,500, right? We decreased 4 times almost the percentage of gains. Now from 2,500% to 600% in the COVID Bitcoin halving, right? So do you see the pattern in profit percentage losses, but still having exponential growth in price, right? So knowing that, I took the averages. I had ChatGPT formulate some averages for me, right? I wanted to know what the average decrease rate of the percentage of profit is every 4 years from the Bitcoin halving date price to the top peak of that year, right? So we average profit percentage, we did the math, right? And it did something wrong here, but I fixed it, came back. I said, well, we're looking for the average decrease in percentage determined from the 3 in our history. So we did that, right? 2012 price $13 to $1,100. That was an 8,800% increase. 2016, $664 to $17,000. That was a 2,500 increase, right? So we go from 8,800 to 2,500 to 600%. Do you see what I'm saying? So let's just fucking break it down, right? Now this is still not including BlackRock, institutional, fucking TikTok faggots. I don't give a fuck. We're gonna add that shit, okay? But just This is what we have right now, okay? So, calculating the percentage decrease between the halvings, right? So we took that, we calculated that bullshit, and we found out, actually, that the average decrease percentage from 2012 to 16 in that bull run was a 70% decrease. From 2016 to 2020, it was a 76% decrease. So in that, we average out a decrease of minus 73%, right? Based on the historical pattern, the 2024 halving could result in a much smaller price surge, around 159%, compared to previous halvings. If Bitcoin's price gains follow the historical trend of a 73% decrease in the profit of each halving, let's project the potential price for Bitcoin in 2025 based on the 24 halving and an expected profit. So, the price of Bitcoin in March from the halving was 43,124. I found out, right? It was a 73.75 decrease that we were going to put on it, right? So based on that historical decrease in profit from previous halvings, we could expect Bitcoin's price to reach approximately 110,000 K. That's being nice, right? That's being very conservative. Now, this project, I told it about Black Swan events and everything. This project reflects the trend of decreasing profit percentages with each halving, but still shows significant growth. Keep in mind, this is based on historical data and doesn't account for external factors like economic conditions, adoption rates, or unforeseen events such as a Black Swan event or major regulatory shifts that could absolutely happen because of Donald Trump. You know, you throw Donald Trump and his degenerates into the whole equation, how he's pro-crypto, he's exchanging the board in the White House with pro-crypto people. He claims that Bitcoin, America will be the Bitcoin capital. These are things he said. And Donald Trump is a man that does things he says. That's just one little facet of the thing, okay? Bitcoin is worldwide news, yes, but America does steer it a lot, right? So now you can give me a couple scenarios where we would experience some more bullish percentages. Please list 5 scenarios, right? So 300% profit, blah, blah, blah. Factors supporting bullish scenarios. A little more conservative with our numbers and start at a lower tier, right? So 150 profit, 150% profit. $150% profit. Why am I starting with 150% profit? Remember, going back to this, right? We know the ranges, right? We know the percentage boost that we started with. 2012, it was an 8,800 percentage increase. The next halving, 4 years later, we had a 2,500% increase. Do you understand what I'm trying to fucking predict here? Okay? So I'm teaching you that in the 2012, we had an 8,800 percentage. increase of profit, okay, in that bull run. The next halving, it was a 2,500% profit. Yes, we lost 6,000%. Okay, so from 8,800, we go from 2,500. Then from 2,500, we go to 600%. So, what do you think in this bull run, what the percentage is going to be? Let's say if we're just following the average trend. Okay, we're not going to add BlackRock. We're not going to add all that stuff yet. Let's just think realistically. It's critical thinking. You need to fucking do this shit if you're going to fucking try to predict the future, which all you fucking degenerate fucks love to do. These are the things you need to fucking do. Right? So we're getting the fucking data. Okay? So what I want you to understand is we go from 8,800 to 2,500 to 600. What are we going to fall on next for our percentage increase for this bull run? Right? Let's follow the trend. Right? 8,800 in the 2012, that was the profit increase, 8,800%. Then from the next halving on, we dropped 6,000%. We only increased 2,500%. But I say only, you need to understand it's a huge, substantial profit margin when it comes to like price though, okay? But I'm showing you the relationship, okay? Bitcoin's price goes higher, but the initial percentage increase every Bitcoin halving drops lower, okay? So that helps us predict what we can find next if we follow this trend. Okay, so now I say that to say this. Now we can expect from 8,800 to 2,500 to 600. What do you think, guys? What do you think we could fall on next for our 2024 halving profit percentage increase from the price from the halving date? Right? Let's just say we increase starting at 300%, right? So from 8,800 we go to 2,500, and from 600, let's just say we go to 300%. Guys, smash the like. If you're here and you like the info, guys, smash the like. Appreciate it. So let's do that. I had ChatGPT crunch some numbers for me, and let's just look at the projections. And based on the projections, I was able to give them the price of the halving, price of Bitcoin on the halving date. So we're going to check out from 200%, right? 8,800, 2,500, 600. Let's start at, fuck it, 300. Let's see what it says, right? So here we go. 200%, 150%. This is being very, very conservative, right? So if we were to do the 150% profit, right? We went from 600%. We went from 8,800 to 2,500 to 600. To be realistic, 150 would be absolutely real to me. To jump from 600% to 150% would be absolutely real. And guess where that puts us? At 107K, man. Right? Now, if we were to jump from 600 from our last bull run, 600% profits, to 200% profits, right? Where would that put us? At 129,000 Bitcoin. right? And opposed to 150% profit, right? So we're basing this all on that because every year we have a 70% to 76% decrease. Our average is 73%. Okay? Even though Bitcoin's price goes higher, the percentage of the gains get lower. 8,800, 2,500, 600. What's next? 200? I mean, to me, that sounds legit. Okay? But let's just say for some reason this year, we maintain a 600% increase, which would be, if you ask me, impossible, right? But let's just say instead of 150, we actually have super, super bullish activity as it picks up, as Bitcoin passes 100K. Retail really just pours in. Donald Trump initially becomes president, into the White House, and things start changing. Worldwide Bitcoin news, and people start FOMOing in above 100K. What can we expect? So at that point, let's increase, right? Let's just say we go from 8,800 to 2,500 to 600, and our last and final top would be 300 or 250, okay? Just to be safe, right? But look at these drops, dude. 88, 25, 600. I mean, if you ask me, like, our next profit increase should honestly be 150%. Seriously. That's where, and if we were to do that, if I were to just really take my opinion, my realistic, non-bullshit opinion, it would have to be 150%, which honestly, it takes us to 107K, which means we're right there already. And that's, I guess, conservative growth. But to me, that's the real growth, right? Now, what makes this different this year is the adoption of ETFs and all that shit, right? So let's be fair then. Let's add that. And each time we add something, we'll go down the list and boost the percentage, right? We have BlackRock. I mean, I feel like this year in this bull run, social media is going to be one of the biggest factors, because I feel like since COVID, everybody has boosted their YouTube, their streaming watching, their algorithm. They're being fed commercials left and right. When crypto's in a bull run right now, you're going to start seeing ads like crazy for crypto right now. I'm telling you. And trust me, these exchanges are going to come out with commercials as well. You'll know when the top is in. So let's just say we get to a 200% profit, right? We go from 22 or 20 or 88 to 2,500 to 600, and let's be moderate. We'll say we jump from 600 to a 200% profit in this bull run, okay, for Bitcoin. That's a moderate bullish case, they're saying. So Bitcoin doubles its market momentum from the halving. Gradual increases in adoption and positive market sentiment lead to significant price increase, which can cause Bitcoin maybe to go to 129K. And that's if we drop from 8,800% to 2,500% to 600% to a 200% profit margin on Bitcoin. since the day of the halving. Okay? Because since every halving, we've lost 73 to 78% in profit margins from the last bull run, right? This is some crazy shit. This is some cool shit to think about because we're using facts. This is not make believe. This is just the pattern that happens from 2012, $13 to $1,100. That's an 8,800% increase. Okay. $13 was the price at the halving. Okay, that's how I'm doing this data. The price of Bitcoin at the halving and the peak price in the following year. Okay, so from the halving to the peak price the following year, $13 to $1,100. That was an 8,800% increase. 2012. Okay, 2016 price of the halving, $664. From there, we jumped to $17,000, damn near $18,000. Okay, that's a 2,500% increase. Right? So from 8,800, we slice that in half to 2,500. Now, the last bull run we experienced, we jumped from $9,000 to $67,000. That was our top. Okay, that was a 600% increase. Okay, 600% increase. The average decrease, right, is 73%. Every Bitcoin halving. So we have the data: 8,800, 2,500, 600. Each one of those is a ratio drop of 78% in profits. Okay? So from 600%, we do that equation with the 70% decrease. They expect us to be at 159% if we average that. You see that? From 600%, and we do that 73% drop. They have us at 159%. Bam. Right there. So, this is very conservative. 159%. That brings us to 111K. Right? If we do the 159. So from 8,800 to 2,500 to 600 to 159. That sounds realistic to me. When you sequence those numbers, that is the right sequence. Okay? So man, that is interesting stuff. So does that mean, 111 is the top? We have to throw in all this stuff now. We have to throw in BlackRock. We have to throw in the ETFs. We have to throw in crypto, just about to do a revolutionary thing and becoming a monetary system pretty soon. Donald Trump, America being the Bitcoin capital. Will we see a huge liquidity movement of money pouring into Bitcoin from old money, boomer money? Will we see a world event that has everybody surging for Bitcoin because they know the dollar ain't shit? Will Bitcoin be all over the news, all over the TV, all over your gas stations, everywhere? Right? So here are some more bullish situations, guys. Okay, so if we were to do 150%, right, which is very conservative, we would get that 107 to 111, right, which fits the bill of the averages. But let's add that little bullish sentiment. Retail, BlackRock, everybody. Let's add it. So let's say we were to get a 200% increase from 600 to 200 with a little sugar on top, right? That would mean we could top out at 129K. That seems very substantial to me. That seems actually doable to me. Knowing the sentiment, it seems very doable. I mean, Donald Trump, the president, we're not used to presidents talking about crypto. Do you understand how big that is? Do you understand how big it is for your president of the United States to be a pro-crypto guy? Crypto is based on fucking goddamn rumors and people talking. Can you imagine this guy saying, passing some kind of law or doing this and that? It's on, okay? And then, I expect a black swan event to happen. I accept some kind of financial disaster to happen in America to also print money as well. We need to give the citizens money so they can do something with it, either buy shit from Amazon or put it into crypto. I see unemployment maybe going up as well again. I see a lot of things happening. Okay? But let's say this. What's up, Renko? What up, my guy? So let's say we add some more bullish activity, just a little, from 200%, right? So this means we're going to be very greedy. This is greedy now, guys. This is greedy territory, okay? 129 Bitcoin right now is already greedy. Now we're getting really greedy, okay? This is very greedy. Do not base your calculations on this at all. Now, this is a very, very bullish sentiment that we're talking about right now, right? From 600% to 300% profit. See, our last bull run, we had 600% profit. Let's say this bull run, we have 300% profit. Bitcoin benefits from increased adoption, favorable regulations. That's what I'm talking about, guys. What if we get favorable regulations from our president? He's only here for 4 years. This guy can do a lot of fucking damage. He has the goddamn Senate. You fucking fucks. We have the Senate. We don't need to wait for no Democrats to fucking do shit. We have the Senate. This guy's here for 4 years. He's going to change a bunch of fucking laws, dude. This guy could actually put America out of debt. He could pass a fucking law that says, hey, we're going to fucking take our tax dollars, we're going to fucking put it into Bitcoin, and we're not going to touch it till 20 fucking years later. And we're going to put 1 point fucking whatever billion or what the fuck ever, okay? He can do that. And do you think that can take America out of debt? It fucking can, bro. So you need to think the possibilities. This cycle's crazy because Donald Trump's in the office and he fucking likes crypto. So if we had a 300% profit, and macroeconomics such as easing monetary policies or inflationary pressures, like what? Easing monetary or inflationary. How do you ease inflationary pressures? What does Donald Trump like to do? Print money. Duh. Donald Trump is the king of printing money, guys. He knows what to do with money. He's not a fucking goddamn politician. Do you get it? He's a fucking money man. That's why he understands printing money, helping businesses, getting loans out, giving grants out. He gets it. Because he's not a fucking goddamn politician. He's a money guy. He understands the economy. He understands how money moves. God damn. Why am I so fucking passionate about this shit? This level, so look at this, guys. This level is akin to the tempered repeat of the 2020 halving. What if we do a repeat? Holy fuck face. Holy fuck me. Now, what if... I wish you guys were here for the beginning because we're building a story. Now, what if we get so wound up in this crypto phase that it's just like a repeat of 2020? And who was in the office in 2020? When we ran that run, it was Donald fucking Trump, motherfucker. Hey, listen. I'm not saying history repeats itself, but history loves repeating itself. These Freemasons love, these motherfuckers, these Illuminati fucks, they love history. They love patterns. They love geometrical shit. You know what I'm saying? So why wouldn't history repeat themselves? But let's not get too carried away. Because if history were to repeat itself, we'd be looking at a 600% bull run profit gain. Do you know what that means? That means we're fucking rich. That means fuck you, pay me. To the 10th power. Okay, but I digress. But 300% is greedy enough for me. That would mean Bitcoin would jump to 172K. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine that? And what would that make our floor? 100K, pretty much. Man. And now for this segment of the video, guys, smash the like. We're going to go to Never Never Land. Okay? Because after this, I don't think we'll see 300%. And I'm just saying that so it can happen. But I don't think we'll see 172, guys. 129, I think that is very possible. But if we see 172, I need a black swan event to trigger that 172. I need America to go into the shithole. I need a huge fucking recession. I need huge unemployment rates. I need fucking a catastrophic FEMA type of event in America so everybody can get stimulus checks. Right? And you know what it is this time? It's gonna be the grid. They try to hit us with the fucking, what do you call it? They try to hit us with the fucking, what do you call it? The diseases, the fucking goddamn China disease. The China disease. They try to fuck us with that. They did. They saw how dumb you fuckfaces really are. They saw how dumb you are. They're like, oh my God, they believe it. The whole world. I'm sorry, you guys aren't fuckfaces. I'm a fuckface with you. This time around, it's going to be the grid, guys. It's going to be a natural disaster with a power outage. That's going to take you away from everything. You're going to realize how much you depend on this internet, this thing that's absolutely free, this thing that's actually created by your government. Don't get sad. It's going to be all right because we're going to be crypto rich. Just hang on to Bitcoin. Now, knowing this, right, just doing all this info, you should know that goddamn Bitcoin is just going to be the most prized asset of the world. Right? Think about the history that I just showed you. Who cares if the percentages are lower every 4 years? It doesn't fucking matter because look what happens to the price. Okay? Bitcoin dwindles down every 4 years. Man, it's incredible. And to think in the long run that this thing was found out of nowhere, suck my fucking cock. This thing was made, it was created by a higher, more powerful, not spiritual, but just a person. Your government. Look at Elon Musk. Look at Elon Musk. He's like fucking Trump's best friend. He's making sure things go his way. You know, when did Elon Musk become our spaceman? Who the fuck gave this guy the keys to space? What happened to NASA? The biggest fucking cover-up of taking your tax dollars and putting it into the militarization of space. You have no idea what they've been building with your tax dollars. You have no idea how much Bitcoin the government has. All those forexes that came down, you know where that goes? To your government. You don't think they're cashing in and cashing out and cashing back in and cashing out? They're building the dopest spaceships that you dreamed about when you were a child. That you don't even get to read about. You don't even get to see it or hear about it. You think it's a UFO. You think that thing in the sky is a UFO. It's your own government. It's the NSA. It's the men in fucking black. This is their world. When you control the skies, you control everything. I don't give a fuck what you say. All right, let's get back to crypto. And so a 300% profit, 172K. That would be just insane. If we were to have a 600% to down to 400% Bitcoin demonstrates stronger growth fueled by FOMO, institutional inflows, and geopolitical instability, encouraging alternative asset classes. You know, look at Guatemala. Not Guatemala, Venezuela. The president of Venezuela, he showed the whole fucking world what you guys need to do on the next cycle. Okay? You don't think other countries saw that and are like, oh, fuck, that motherfucker is up? Did you seen the screenshot? His Bitcoin account is fucking crazy. But this is great. All right, let's jump into some charts. Guys, start talking about coins and tokens. Let's jump into the real shit now. That was fun. That was cool. Thank you for letting me go off. If, I loved it. I love talking about that shit because you know what? It really helps you understand. It helps you understand. And not just what can be, but it helps you understand that Bitcoin is here forever, guys. There will be wars fought over Bitcoin, you fucking sons of bitches. Do you know that? In the future, Bitcoin will be so good that there will be wars fought over Bitcoin. I promise you. There will be bloodshed for Bitcoin. Smash the fucking like. God damn it. All right. What do you want to look at? What are we looking at? Pull up MKR chart and triangle me up. All right. MKR, maker. Let's get it. Oh, I know who the fuck you are. You fucking guy. Where have you been, dude? Where have you been? Where the fuck have you been? All right, maker. Let's go to Binance Maker. Boom. Oh my God. Yeah, that was around April and BVC loved maker. And we did the macro bat ears. Boom. Fell back down. Well, maker's making its move. Hold on 1 second. Let me get my shit right. This is a big level of resistance right here. Here's our massive major trend line. Big level of resistance that you could see right now. It's trying to make support, right? Because we came up, we bumped our heads right here. Here's the bump. Here's the next psychological barrier. And Bitcoin's psychological barrier right now is 100K. And this guy's tapped its head, right? And you see why it's tapping its head. It's because this used to be a place of 1 tap, 2 tap, 3 tap, 4. A place of bouncing. Right? It lost it here, boom. Tried to break it, boom, lost. So you see how strong it used to be. So this is an important section because it used to be support, used to be resistance, bumping its head, falling down, creating an upside down head and shoulders that it fulfilled. Hello? Anybody home? Hello? Anybody home? Right? So it tapped its head and shoulders. Right? What'd it do right when it's there? Motherfuckers knew that this was the next spot to take profit. So you get that wick of thousands of orders just ripping profits and yoink. And where is it now? Where is it now? On this level of support. Trying to find strength here, right? Just trying to find strength here. So what do you expect now? I expect a trading zone. From this top, local top, to right here. Actually, never mind that. Where's my fucking box? Boom, boom. How about right there? Okay. Nice little shoulder, right? Nice little shoulder, right? Because once we make that shoulder, we can get the fuck out of town. Just right? That's what's gonna happen. Don't fuck with me. That's what's gonna happen. Okay? You got me? That's what's gonna happen. You fucking got me? Alright? Don't fuck with me. What's the RSI doing? The RSI is being bullish. I mean, this is the big Batman here. Wank, 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 wank. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? But look what it's doing here. So we have to respect this trend line here. You know what I mean? We got to respect that line. Because anytime, if we come back to that line, that's a major bounce, I think. I'm Batman. Hey, bitch. I'm Batman. Stop fucking with me. All right. So, expect this. Expect the unexpected. Expect this. Boom. And then we make this. So we're in the phase of crypto where we're making old resistance support. We're just in that phase, and that's what happens in bull runs. That's what happens if we're in a bull run. You know what I mean? So we're just going to go up these levels, right? We're going to tap them. Just like that is a perfect example of what we can expect going on the way up. Are these fucking wicks. Yink. Look what happened. Look at this. Look what happened here last week. I mean, in November the 7th, beginning of the month. Wicked up. People took their profits. Idle, idle, idle. Boom. Wicked up again. People took their profits. Idle, idle. We got to make this little line right here a strong support. And then guess what? Boom. You know what I mean? We're in that little phase right now. Look how long we went downhill for, right? I remember we were up here. I was like, God damn, where the fuck is BBC? He's probably telling a bunch of Mexicans to stop fucking working so hard because, you guys deserve a break. I guarantee you that's what he was doing. Okay? Don't worry, he takes care of them. He takes care of them. I know. I've seen video footage. Terrible video footage of just tormenting workers, and then he buys them pizza when they're all done, like it's a fucking little league class or something. What the fuck? I don't know, but that's how he runs his business. That's fine with me. I don't care. Do whatever you want, but you better be careful because Trump's coming for your ass. Okay? Trump's on your ass, BVC. You better have your fucking shit together. Don't be fucking around, okay? Don't be I know you love working down in El Paso or wherever you're at. Just, you better be careful, buddy. Okay? Anyway, this is a crypto channel. This is not about immigration or deportation or any stupid thing. We're not political here. Okay? The hard worker's a hard worker. You got me? Doesn't matter what color your skin is. Hard work is hard work. Blood, sweat, and tears is blood, sweat, and tears. You bitch. Alright, anyway. Anyway, Maker is on the makings of a fucking goddamn, you know. It's in the makings. It's in the makings. I see the, you know, a classic huge bullish pattern of bada bing, bada boom, you know. Put in the long. Put in the Maker long, you know, at 10x. 10x. Put in the Maker long at 10x, right? What can it potentially go to in the cycle? At least this top. At least make a triple top, you know, to 4,000. So that would be 1,800 to 4,000. Or at least to that level. Boom. Right now, you can put a 10x on everything. You're going to make fucking money, dude. And that's why I miss trading on fucking Bing X or MEXC, dude. Golly. Sky? What is Sky? What the fuck is Sky? Where am I looking? What chain is that? Bing X. Yeah, I'm not on Bing X anymore. I don't know. They got a KYC or some shit. What is Sky? Like on what chain are we talking about? Oh shit, look at this. Maker DAO is Sky. I don't know what the fuck. Sky governance token. I don't know what the fuck I'm supposed to look at, bro. Holy shit, but what the fuck is this? The fuck is this? Is this... Maker on Ethereum? Sky governance token? Is this correct? Is this what we want? don't think so. Yes? Did they just make this? How do I find the fucking goddamn contract, dude? What the fuck? Huh? What the fuck? DAI is their stable. Oh yeah, DAI. Didn't they change? Oh, so they changed DAI to Sky. Is that what happened? I heard about that shit. I'm not too, like, I don't follow it or whatever. Okay. I don't know what I'm looking at. But anyway, Ethereum though, look what Ethereum did. Upside down head and shoulders, like I said. I know it's crazy to look at. It's just gonna fuck your eyes up. I get it. I get it. I get it. But look, what we've done is completely gone over this fucking, you know, if you know anything, this red line used to be our ceiling, which now is not. It's now our floor. Oh, you see how we went up, hit our head, came down, found support, went up, found support. Uh-oh. Now we're hitting our head here. What do you think we're going to do? We're going to rally, bro. And we're also, that means we're also in the range of our right shoulder now. Boom, our right shoulder. Here's our left. Here's the head downstairs, back upstairs to the shoulder. And then you guys know what happens after that. You know, we're going to bounce down here one last time. Maybe a little spike of a fucking, you know, chicken drinking water thingy. And we're out. Okay? We're out to the local top again. $4,000. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. No doubt. No doubt. And then ETH will be, you know, you'll see all these tweets again about ETH. Oh my God. Yeah, but then you're going to see a price drop because that's the local psychological top. Boom. It's going to hit the top. We're going to trade around this top zone for a minute until we hit the next local top. Right? Which is 4,800. And once we go there and ETH passes that, then we'll actually be in a real bull run because we're waiting for fucking ETH. You know? We've seen Bitcoin. Okay, let's see ETH go up past its local fucking, his all-time high. Once we see that, it's full bull time mode. When ETH and Bitcoin have both passed. Okay? Because Bitcoin's psychological top right now, I don't give a fuck what anyone says. The psychological top right now for Bitcoin is 100K. Right? And the psychological top for Ethereum is its last all-time high. So these two things are what we're going to be dealing with this week. Psychological top of 100K and the local all-time high, or the last all-time high of Ethereum. Those are the two narrations for those coins, right? Now, I believe we're actually gonna rally. So you're gonna see Bitcoin go from 90K again to 98K again, and then to 89K to 95K, and we're just gonna see this thing go down slowly for a minute and range, and hopefully build up into like a little bullish bull flag or some sort, right? And we'll get the fuck out of here by December. And by December, I do feel we'll be running. I don't know, okay? To me, December is usually like a bearish day to me, I feel. I don't know, bearish month or, I hate these holidays. I hate the fourth quarter. Nobody does shit, so it's always bearish to me. That's my shit. That's just my thing. I don't know. Maybe we could have a different type of thing. Maybe we'll see. Degen pumped today. Its first bullish daily candle. Right? Right on that line, right on the support line. And that is like a bull flag right there. This thing can go ballistic from here, to be honest, by the end of the night. Shit. Look, people are FOMOing in too. Selling off too. $66,000 poured in, dude. Buddy. 66. Yikes. The as a stablecoin maker is now Sky. Ah, gotcha. Holy fuck. This thing's going off, dude. Jesus Christ, this thing's been going off. Okay, that's where we're at. So this thing's been out. Yeah, Spooky Swap has been out. How'd they get new APRs and all that stuff? It's a very weak level, though. Boo, Rap Phantom. How much money is in here? I'm good, bruh. Is it trying to play out the shoulder here too? Look at this SDEX, Smart Deck shoulder. Maybe bounce here, boom, 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 boom. Cass, look at Cass, just following my work. You are such a good child. Dude, Algo went nuts the other day. Or this whole week. Look at the potential on Algo. This is incredible. This is how you see what people have done. You know what I mean? You could see that this guy, 12 hours ago, when this coin was like kind of released, he bought $170 worth, which was 2 million units. Then he bought $1,200 worth in 15. So he threw in a total of, $2,700 or $2,800. And he bought here, bought there for 15. It pumped And he started selling all the way going up. Boom, sell, sell, sell. So he did 350 out, 350 out, 370 out, 411 out, 800 out. Boom, boom. It peaked. It dropped, drop, drop, drop. He didn't sell anything. Went to the top, sold, sold. Came back up, sold, 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 sold. Shit's hilarious. And the thing is, he's selling everything above his price. You see? Everything he sells, he's selling above his buy zones. Just interesting to see, right? Now that is the top trader here. That is this gentleman right here, number one. He bought $3,000 worth and has made $10,000 off this, off 19 transactions, up $7,000. And he's done. And you can't win off these things unless you're in at the bottom, guys. Like, Batman. I see Batman. Looks very bearish. That's our new line right there. That's our new trend line now. And this is the bigger picture. It's just going downhill. Your next buy-in would be right here. All right. Because when we come down here, we get a bounce. Probably going to get a bounce here. So if you're trying to get in that, wait. You're definitely going to want to wait. Yo, send me a Discord invite. Sure, bud. Definitely I don't know how to find you, motherfucker. Just find me on Twitter. Are you on Twitter again, or did you get fucking fucked up again for opening your fucking goddamn mouth? That fucking mouthpiece of yours, dude. You need a muzzle. I'm buying you a muzzle for Christmas. I don't know freaky shit. Just for the sake of humanity. Oh, you got kicked out? That's normal. That's normal. Don't worry. Everybody gets kicked out. You know what I mean? Everybody gets kicked out. And then I get to see how you react. And based upon your reaction, you know, depending on if you act like a little fucking coward, you get the re-invite or you don't. Nah, but yeah, I got you. We'll get you in there again. You know, you haven't missed anything. You haven't missed anything. What the fuck happened here? Let's see. All the charts just do as I say. Every chart does what I say. Kicked out is my default setting. Oh shit. It's incredible. That's an incredible setting. I too share those same settings. You know, I have those same settings. Incredible. What a predicament. That was a killing. Let me take my ass to Polygon. Damn, that was nice. Incredible, dude. I was here. Look at that. Wow. Oh my god. In January. Yeah, everything popped in March. I remember March was nuts. And then you could buy everything in October and November. It was wild. Okay, this looks... Got a couple $100 in Polygon. I'm just trying to see. Now, who the fuck was talking about Avalanche? Let's go to Avalanche. So yeah, the Cocky New is doing. Cocky New. Cocky New. Hello there. Good day. In today's price charts, we are looking at the Cocky New. Looks fairly young. You got Kimbo. You got a coin called... We're just looking at some Avalanche shit. 9, 15, 20. The fuck is this? Jeez. This is the thing though, right? Oh, dude, there's a lot of entries on AVAX right now because you need to look at, back in March, guys, everything pumped. Everything. I'm talking about AI coins, game coins, any fucking altcoin. Back in March, it fucking pumped like crazy, right? We're coming into that time, guys, where we're about to get another humongous wave of liquidity flowing through altcoins and meme coins. And just imagine. This is not... And this is the chance that you guys have to take, because nobody wants to buy coins, when they're dead on the floor. You know what I'm saying? But that's the difference between you making 10x and making a lousy 2x, 3x. You know what I mean? Because what if, guys, what if we're just right here doing what we did right here? What tool do I need? You motherfucker. Right, boom, 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 boom. Oh my gosh. What if we're right there? What if we're right there? What if we're right there? You know what I mean? So how would you know if you're in a potential 20x? Good question, motherfucker. Very good question. Hold on, let me smoke a fat fucking bowl and get my mind right, and let's have some fun finding some 20xers. Because I want to tell you about my friend, Mr. Crypto Profit Calculator. Right here. Okay? Okay, Sonny? If you're white and you're in construction, pay the fuck attention. Guys, if you're white, you might be in construction. Well, goddamn it, this is your lucky day. And maybe you voted for presidential Trump. This is just for you. This is your kind of cast. I just lost all my viewers, which was 3 because I said President Trump. F you guys. We're Team Trump here, baby. I don't give a damn. Okay, anyway. Get it together. Let's go. Okay, look, Gecko Inu. Alright, let's just fuck with Gecko, just for instance, right? We pull up Gecko Inu. GEK. It's not even here, right? So, I mean, we're gonna have to punch in the numbers ourselves. 072978. Okay, 2907 2978, right? And let's say I invest, $100, right? And the sell price, right? We go back and we just take it to this level right here. Let's say we go up here. 6 zeros, 1791. Okay? 6 zeros, 1791. Right? If we make it to this top line. 6 zeros and what? Okay, 6 zeros, 1800. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. Holy fuck. Is that right? Hold on, is that right? You've got to be fucking kidding me. Hold on. This can't be right? No. Hold on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold on a second. Wait a minute. Guys, hold on. Is this right? Is it? It can't be right. There's no way. There's no way. Oh, I gotta take a piss. I'll be right back. That can't be right. Be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died and gave their right to me. And I'll proudly stand up next to him and defend my something. 'Cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA. That's right. Yo, so we just did some shit, guys. I don't know if this is real. I Is this real? Could it be? Is this shit real? Could it be? Could it be? Could it be? Could it be? Is it true? Am I doing this right? Cause look, what? I mean, look, check this out though. Just work with me here. Work with me here. Okay. We buy now. This says 7 zeros, right? This says 7 zeros, right? 2997. 0.00. So 0.702997, right? So let's just bear with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros, 2978, right? Okay. We invest $100. Okay. Just $100. We sell at, let's say we get to this level right here. Boom. Okay, fine. Let's say we get to this initial. Okay, no. Let's just make it here. Okay, let's just make it to this area. Okay, where is that? 6 zeros, 1200, we'll say. 6 zeros and a 1200. Okay? So that's, oh, no wonder. Man, I'm a fucking retard. There you go. Okay, so that's only $300. Damn, bros. Thought we were rich. Fucking A, I gotta smoke. I thought we were rich. We ain't shit. Thought we were rich, guys. We ain't shit. Find a 20xer. Let's find our next 20xer. I'm serious. We're gonna find this piece of shit. You know? And if we don't find it, you know who I'm gonna go fuck up? You know who I'm fucking up? If we don't find the 20, you know who I'm fucking up? This fuck face right here. I'm fucking you up, bitch. Yeah. I'm coming for you, Brian Jung. Of all portfolio managers on the market, CoinStats supports my most number of wallets and exchanges. Now shut up, you fucking coward. Brian Jung. It's really a cool platform that connects all my portfolios into one. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Did I ask for your 5-star review, Brian Jung? Huh? No, I didn't. So get off my screen. Mother snucker. I'm sorry, I don't have anything against Brian Jung. Brian Jung is actually my cousin. He's been my cousin for 5 years. And we have no beef. We're good. We're good to go. I did teach Brian Jung how to make credit card videos. And unfortunately, after I taught him how to create credit card tutorials, he defriended me and never talked to me again. And, you know, how's that for racism? Shit. I mean, that guy, he's the most racist guy I know, okay? And have you ever met a racist Asian? I have never met a racist Asian, except for Brian Jones, okay? That's my opinion. I'm sticking with it. Somebody told me to buy cock Inu, and I was like, you know what? You know what? Yeah, how do we find that like market cap price projector? Ooh, yeah, I just said it right there. Market cap price calculator, buddy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, market cap. Yeah, motherfucker. Market cap of. Ooh, show the price of A with the market cap of B. All right. Yeah. Top 10. Pepe the Dogecoin. Doge all-time high market cap was 88 billion. Wow. Degen's still pumping today. This is a good sign for Degen. See Brett, because I'm trying to get some Brett, but look at Brett, dude. Brett is about to just fucking go off. Because people want to catch that pump. I'm hearing shit about Brett getting listed on Binance. There's nothing official about that, but Binance, look at how many holders are here. 716,000. Let's go look at another one like Degen. 700,000, almost 800,000 holders, right? Airdrome, 200,000 holders. So look, Airdrome, and they're talking about this thing like it's gonna be, the big one on the base chain. It's either Aerodrum or whatever this thing's called, and the alien swap or whatever, right? But we're talking about holders here. We got 200K. The top meme coins right now. Look at based Pepe. Let's see the Pepe on the base. How many holders here? Look at this fucking shit. 2.9 milli. 2.9 milli. Now that's a real meme, right? 2.9 holders, 2.9 million, damn near 3 million holders, bro. Now, let's look at base space. Where the fuck did that go? Hold on, Meagles. Let's look at Meagles. Meagles got 174. Oh, look at this fucking yellow. Hello. This thing. What is this called, guys? I think this is a bull flag, huh? See, Meagles is about to go cannibalistic. Meagles about to go cannibalistic. Like this right here puts him in the running. It puts him in the running for a contender of a humongous bull cycle for the Meagles. You know what I mean? Just this activity, the timing of it, you know, while everyone's going into it, the Binance shit. I mean, it's the timing of it is sensational. This is a there's long-term longevity to this, maybe. Because it's in brand new territory. I mean, you caught the leg up at the right moment. We're commencing the bull run, altcoins, memes. This is ready. This is definitely a candidate in a lot of people's eyes. And it looks like they're making their decision by holding this support right here. It's not failing. It is holding strong support. And these are daily candles. So you know this ain't no lie. You know this ain't no lie right here. Dude, I think Meagles is gonna pop again. Look at Solana. It's just full of fucking sluts everywhere. Mustard. How long? 4 days now, Mustard. What you been doing? Ooh, you caught a nice dip here. But you ain't really doing much, to be honest. Watch out for the Coinbase listen. Yeah, for sure. I'm not in Meagles, so it's like. Yeah, that shit. Pepe. See, this Pepe chart is like, it's almost like reminds me of a Bitcoin chart. How it cleared its last high or all-time high. Boom, and now it's just touching back down from that unknown territory. Needs to show some strong support here, and we'll make another leg up, bro. Boom. Dude, these coins like Tia pumped the fuck up this week. Injective trying to come back, dude. Look at that. Jito has been spectacular. Where's Soul? Broke out. What about some of these dinos? Think they can run up again? Like, check out all-time high for Moon River. Moon River. Moon River, watching the moon. What is this Moon River? What is this? What is a Moon River? What is it you speak of a Moon River? Moon River? Moon River? Holy shit, what the fuck is this? What is this trash? No, we're out of here. We're out of here. Moon River, no. No. I don't see it. I don't see it. I do not see it. BMX. I see it here though. See, you had a Head and Shoulders everywhere. I can't unsee a Head and Shoulders. It's just, I'm cursed. I'm cursed. I'm cursed. Pepe ready for its next move. We are forming the Z wedge. We still have time to correct in Pepe, you know, like 1, 2, maybe like beginning of December, first week of December, we can expect a nice Pepe pump, like a nice one. You know, if you're looking to get into Pepe, this is the week, right? Because Pepe's doing the same thing. A lot of these coins, right, all have the same pattern, right? Like, let's just say, for instance, Degen. Look at Degen, right? Perfect example is Degen. Okay, the perfect example is Degen. Right? Degen made that little flag. This is the daily candle. Crossed it, broke out of it right here. And I think that's what we're gonna see, right? With a Pepe flag. You know, same thing. We're gonna come down, pinch the edge, and then boom. But you gotta understand what that also means is boom. What if it stops right there? Well, that also just means now we can go rally sideways again. Okay. Therefore, extending the flag now, boom, that way. Okay. And then initiating a breakout over here, boom. Right? That can happen. Okay. That's what this stuff is all about. It's just boom, you hit her head. You go sideways again for a couple days, you know, and all this stuff accumulates. And then, you know, FOMO, and bam, right? Things take time. Things take time in this market. The fucking, what do you call it? The narratives, the narratives, they need to play out. You know, and if we look back, right, if you want to look back, let's just have a look back as Degen is pumping out of its mind today, right? It's done 20%. So as we look at something like, for instance, let's see, let's just look at like, hmm. Okay, since we remember Crow, right? Let's look at Crow, right? And let's just take a look at, when Crow was in the bull run, like how did this initial bull run, right? How many days of bull run did we have, right? So we're here. We are here. Right now, guys, the price of Crow is at 18 cents. Okay, this is the exact zone that we were in before we actually took the fuck off. Okay? Now, let's do weekly candles now. Now that we're over here, let's do weekly candles, okay? So we're in that 18-cent range, and that's exactly where we were when we fucking said, fuck you, we're going to a buck, okay? So in that first week, we rose from 18 to 23 cents, okay? 18 to 23 cents. I think we've done that. We have done that. We tapped 23 cents, right? We came back down. Boom. Went back up. Tapped 21. All right. So we were kind of in that same range, right? We tapped 23, but on this one, we came back down. And from 23, dude, came back down to 19, and then we went all the way to 39 cents. Okay, we went up 20 points from this 18-cent zone. When we do that, when we go up 20 cents in 1 week, that's when I'll know that we're never going to come back until we hit, 80 cents or something. So that 1 week. So think about this. 3 weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 1 straight month of bullish activity. Okay? 1 straight month. Wow. Dude, if I'm thinking right, I think December. Oh man. Let me look at this real quick. Looks crazy, man. It's that 1 month of straight bullish activity, dude. Now I gotta go look at Bitcoin. October, we came into November. Golly. So when we did this, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Almost 1 month of bullish activity, guys. When we go on these huge runs, it's almost 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. That's a month. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. That's a month. After we have these big drop downs, right? And what is this drop down from here? That's 40 to 28. That's about a $10,000 range. We just literally did that. Okay? And we just pumped up here. I mean, this is kind of like the same scenario that we just went through right now. We just pumped up here, coming down. I can't do it with Bitcoin, dude. The fact that I looked up earlier today that, 110K was like the average price of where we would fall in our all-time highs. It's a trip. It's a trip. It's a trip. It's a trip. Anyway. USDM, boy. Damn, right here when they came down here, they've supposedly dropped this thing called USDN and new liquidity pools with SDEX and USDN caused this little pump. Their stable coin that they're using. I think we're good to go. Gotta get something to eat, boys. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What do you call it? Let me know when you get off work, B. And we'll jump in a call. You guys take care. I'll probably be back on later tonight too.